The pursuit of youthful, radiant skin has been a timeless endeavor, and nature has provided us with a treasure trove of oils that can work wonders in the battle against wrinkles. These oils are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Let's explore the top 10 oils that have gained recognition for their remarkable ability to help get rid of wrinkles and promote a more youthful complexion. 1. Argan oil. Known as liquid gold, argan oil is derived from the kernels of the argan tree. Packed with vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants, argan oil moisturizes the skin, promotes elasticity, and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Rosehip seed oil. Extracted from the seeds of wild rose bushes, rosehip seed oil is a powerhouse of vitamin A, vitamin C, and essential fatty acids. This oil aids in skin regeneration, boosts collagen production, and diminishes the visibility of wrinkles, leaving the skin smoother and more youthful. 3. Jojoba oil. Closely resembling the skin's natural sebum, jojoba oil is an excellent moisturizer that helps balance oil production. Rich in vitamins E and B complex, it promotes skin elasticity, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, and encourages a healthy, youthful glow. 4. Pomegranate seed oil. Pomegranate seed oil is renowned for its potent antioxidant content, particularly punicolagens and ellagic acid. These antioxidants protect the skin from free radical damage, stimulate collagen production, and contribute to a firmer, more youthful complexion. 5. Frankincense oil. With a history dating back centuries, frankincense oil has skin-renewing properties. It helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots by promoting cell turnover and improving skin tone and elasticity. 6. Lavender oil. Beyond its calming aroma, lavender oil offers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It aids in the repair of damaged skin, reduces fine lines, and promotes a smoother complexion. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for all skin types. 7. Carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil is rich in beta-carotene and vitamin E, contributing to its skin-renewing benefits. It stimulates cell regeneration, improves skin tone, and helps diminish wrinkles, making it a valuable addition to anti-aging skincare routines. 8. Grapeseed oil. Extracted from grape seeds, grapeseed oil is light and easily absorbed, making it an ideal choice for all skin types. It contains powerful antioxidants that protect the skin from free radicals, reducing the signs of aging, including wrinkles and fine lines. 9. Evening primrose oil. High in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, evening primrose oil is known for its anti-inflammatory and skin-nourishing properties. It helps improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and promote a more youthful appearance. 10. Avocado oil. Rich in vitamins A, D, and E, avocado oil deeply nourishes and hydrates the skin. It boosts collagen production, promotes skin elasticity, and helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Nature has bestowed us with a plethora of oils that offer a natural and effective solution to combat the signs of aging. Whether you choose argan oil, rosehip seed oil, or any of the other oils mentioned, incorporating these botanical wonders into your skincare routine can contribute to achieving a smoother, more youthful complexion. Embrace the power of these oils and unlock the secret to radiant, wrinkle-free skin.